So the next one is and again the glare is just, oh there we go, oh I had it. Okay, there. It's winged, it's a winged liner stamp.
I love doing cat eye wing. I mean, that's...
Susan likes a good winged liner.
I've been doing it.
I struggle with a winged liner.
Years.
I won't lie. I struggle with a wing liner. So potentially maybe a wing liner stamp can help me.
I do it freehand or natural because I've been doing it for 20 years. It's just, I didn't even put eyeliner on today because you told me not to do my eyes, and I was like, well, that's a bit late because
I tell her not to do her eyes, thinking this is exactly what I say to her. Limit your eye makeup. That's all. Limit your eye makeup.
Yeah, but you said that.
She puts on
after.
All she had on at that point.
Eyeshadow.
No, was eyeshadow. That was all she had on. So I'm still thinking, if I say limit now, we're good. She puts on eyeshadow, mascara, full brow. The only thing she doesn't put on,
eyeliner.
Is eyeliner. So guess who's testing this out? That would be you.
So this is the thing, my staple, my everyday normal wear is concealer, eyeliner, mascara.
Now, let's see if we can do one at a time. No, apparently we cannot. Okay, one pen is the left wing, the other pen is the right wing, and looks like there are two. This is everything. This is everything I want it to be and more. And I really don't know how I'm going to show this.
OMG.
This is like a triangle.
This is the stamp that I just did with this one.
Now, it has the stamp on the one end and it has the tip, like just the pen on the other end. This is everything I can want it to be more. And do you know that the lids specifically fit on each one differently? So Susan's gonna give it a whirl. Yes, she is. I'm excited to see this. And I won't lie, the black is quite nice.
I love black. I mean, I always
No, but
black.
I mean, it looks like it's a nice.
It's actually, so it's drying now. Oh, I'm gonna put that, so it's drying and it's dried. So I'm smudging it. It's like a pen. Oh, you want me to just actually have a go with it?
I do. Seeing as the only thing that you didn't put on when I said limit. How do you limit your eye makeup and put on everything but eyeliner?
Like I told you, my staple is eyeliner and mascara. But I'd already put on eyeshadow. So once you put on eyeshadow, you have to put on mascara. You can get away with not doing eyeliner. I would have done eyeliner, but then it's just...
But then the whole brow thing. How do you do your brows?
I always do my brows.
I tell you. Some people.
So this is right wing. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna...
So obviously, so the triangle goes like this. So she's putting the point part away from her eye. So the triangle, the thick piece is actually going towards her outer eye.
Like this.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you could. Oh, I see. I see why it's right and left, because this tip is actually curved.
Yes.
So it curves upwards. So there we go. There's that. And I'm just going to draw this in really quick.
And how does the ink feel? Because you're very particular about your eyeliner. You tend to use the same one, I believe, and have for
I
a
use
while.
the exact same one and have for many years. There you go.
And that is actually
Pretty good.
pretty darn nice. All right, so give a full straight look at the camera. That's actually quite good. I think we might have a success.
We have a winner, ladies and
We have
gentlemen.
a winner! Actually, I would say the eyebrow stamp wasn't that bad.
No, the eyebrow stamp wasn't that bad. You can have a go with this.
No, I've already got eyeliner on. I was really hoping to get you to do a more.
You want me to do the left wing now?
Well, yeah, let's just do it and let's compare and see.
So, I'm just going to do the stamp, getting the stamp, the fat end in the corner of my eye. Making the stamp. It's really simple.
That is really good.
It's really simple.
That is really good.
I quite like this.
I feel like for someone like me who has real issues doing a winged liner, for whatever reason, I don't seem to be able to get it. And I've been doing my makeup for a lot of years. That would be quite helpful. I think once you get to figuring out a winged liner, you can do it all the time. I think it's that first initial figuring out how to do it. But that's really good. Yeah, I like that.
That was really quick and easy. That was really quick and easy.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep those. I'll try those out, I will.
Yeah, that's cool. Because that's exactly how I do my own eyeliner anyway.
Right.
Turned out very well. I'm impressed.
So, the last thing I got in this box, and I think that you already have some, actually I know for a fact you have some, just not this kind, would be, why does it just not like, would be magnetic eyelashes. Now,
I love these.
I will say, I've already opened these to look at them, and they are not what I expected.
Oh.
The ones that you have, now I had seen,
Bought them at Target.
Susan had bought hers. Oh, did you?
Yeah, I bought them at Target.
I looked at Target and I didn't find any. Yours are the big, normal, what you would consider magnetic for the entire thing. These be weird. I'm gonna take this packaging off first. Look at those.
They're itty bitty.
They're itty bitty.
You know why? I think
They're like little extent, and I be gentle on what you say here.
Be gentle. No, you know what I think?
I think they're just like little.
But no, I think that they're meant to be from the middle of your eye to the outer, so you get that lovely
fan.
Yeah, the lovely fan. Because this is, I struggle with normal eyelash, like false eyelashes, is because they go from the one corner all the way to the outer corner, and it doesn't look natural on me because I have very short eyelashes and then they get longer and longer and longer as they fan out. So I think I might love these.
Now this is really heavy duty. This is full metal. It's quite heavy. It's full metal.
Wow.
And the one that you have is plastic with a metal piece, or with the magnetic piece just here.
May I ask?
Yeah.
If it's metal and the eyelashes are magnetic, how are the eyelashes not sticking to that? Because it would attract to the metal.
I don't know, but we're going to give it a whirl. And I can say I don't know how to put these on.
It does come with instructions. It would help if I did it not upside down for you. So it does come with the instructions. It shows you how to do it. Hold one piece of the magnetic false eyelash over your eye. Position lash on the top of your natural lashes. Outside edge line up with the edge of your natural lash line. And then with the lash in one hand, pick up the bottom lash with the other hand. And then place it underneath. So you're doing it with.
So you don't have to use this, is what it's saying. The top ones
is the top is to apply by hand.
For your hand, and then
the bottom is to apply with the applicator.
So what does it say to? How does it say to do the applicator? Because I will say you and I struggled with the applicator.
Take one lash and attach it to the end of the other tool. Take the other lash and attach it to the opposite of the tool. Please make sure the lashes are facing downwards, the inside of the tool, so you can clip them around the shape of your eyes.
Like that?
Yep. No. Yeah, no, you were right. Oh God, no, actually, look at it. Yeah, that's right.
That's right.
Yep.
And then this goes the exact same way.
The exact same way, but on the bottom.
Which is just weird when you're trying to put on.
Yeah.
So we will show you here.
There you go.
So they're both facing up. And I put, it's gotta go this way. It's gotta go that way. Do you understand why?
That is exactly right. Don't listen to me. I could never do this.
I think this is the problem.
No, they both have to face the same way.
They are both facing the same way. I just don't see how.
Mm-mm.
Yes. Yes.
No! You see it's curving that way. That's going that way, not this way.
How would that work with your lashes though? When your lashes go this way. I have a feeling once you... Okay, we're gonna try with our hand first. No, it would have...
Do you want a mirror?
It would have to be this way, Sue. Okay. So we're gonna stick that
against your natural lash,
which really doesn't do much for me. This is the part. Ouch.
Did it clip?
It did. It just... Do you see that it didn't?
Oh yeah, no, it didn't. It didn't. It sort of clipped like halfway up.
The one inner one clipped properly.
Let's do it your way.
It's because she knows my way is the right way.
I'm ignoring you.
She hates a know-it-all. You should try it with the applicator.
They need to go up.
My problem is...
Where lashes go? How do they go? Oh God.
It's this outer part that I can't, I would need the applicator for that piece. They would have to go on.
I'm doing it your way and seeing what... Oh God, I don't even think that... I can't get it in because I think that's... Right, we'll do it this way. I could put it on the wrong end.
Now I will say, when Susan and I first did her ones that she got from Target, it took us a minute to figure out how to do the eyelashes. But once we figured it out, it's been easy for you, right?
Yep. Well, the bottom one's on.
How did you...
No idea how the bottom one is on. There we go. And there we have it. Yeah. I don't know.
I mean, they're pretty.
I probably didn't line these up properly, but then I just did the second one manually. I'll just show that close up. It doesn't, I mean, I definitely didn't line these up properly. They feel weird, but I think from further away, they actually don't look that bad further away.
I think my eyelashes just get in the way.
Drag it out.
Maybe these are easier with shorter eyelashes. I don't know. Because this is just a pain. Like, look how weird that looks on my eyes.
That doesn't look that bad at all.
It feels
It does, it feels really odd. And it looks lovely. And I think close up, it looks fake. But when you're looking here, it actually looks,
I wonder if you could, like, I wonder if you could put two on each eye to get the...
Yes. But that, I mean, I think that's how it's showing that you would, no, you just do it at the ends. Do it as you like.
Ow. Ooh. Ow.
Ow. Be careful, it pokes. I think it's easier with using your fingers than using the tool, to be honest. That has to be feel weird.
Really did. This would be easier without a handheld mirror.
Yeah. Do you want me to hold the mirror for you?
Yeah, maybe, could you? So I think by itself on the one it just looks. I am not short like you, so like.
You don't have to hold my hand.
Okay, you think you're good now?
I'm good. That looks much better than it did. It still looks a little fake though.
It does look very fake to me because it's this piece
It's
now.
just chopped.
Yeah, but I think they're workable.
They just feel really weird.
They feel really weird. Now you have, like I said, you have the other kind. How do those feel when you wear those?
Just as weird.
I will say, I think once you get used to them,
Yeah.
that they, you know, like wouldn't necessarily be as fiddly as the glue. I will say I can't get these off. They are definitely stuck in my eye.
Well, it says on the packet to remove, use your thumb and index finger to slide the strips apart. But that's also taking off all the mascara I'm wearing as well. But
Yeah.
well, these are fun though. I mean,
I don't mind these. I
don't
think
mind
I
these.
would probably like just the bigger set. I don't know if, unless, I mean, I think maybe if you get used to putting them on, that maybe they'd be more natural looking just because you just put a little bit on.
Yeah.
And then you can build the two different to make them look more dramatic.
yeah.
But it's like an everyday wear. Yeah, I'm all right with those. What do you think?
I enjoyed that very much, and I think the product I liked the most were these. Super easy.
May have to give them a
The Vogue Effects wing liner stamp.
Yeah.
Today's winner.
Yep, VogueEffects.com. Perfect wings every time.
10mm classic.
Yeah, so I bet you they have different like millimeter, like
Yeah,
how winged
how
you
thick,
have,
how thin.
you know.
It is smudge proof, and I was just trying to get what I had put on here and on my hand, and it comes off quite easily with water, so it's not like it stains. And makeup remover wipes work really well too.
All right, so I think
That was fun.
I think one real winner, 2 okays, and an epic fail for the last one, because it's just, there's nothing in that toolbox other than the mirror on this comb. Actually, I would use these clips to keep my hair out for makeup. That would be it. The rest I think I will.
Okay, well I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informational for you.
And at least a good laugh, if nothing else. If you liked,
Give us
hit
a
that
thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel.
Hit the notification bell button.
And we will see you next time.
Yep, bye.